We did all things clinical today. Chrislyn is a really great clinician, and she explained things really well, and it was just a really good experience. I feel very confident as a practitioner to go back home and do all the things that she taught us. Tried out on me, and then I also worked on someone else, and it was very user-friendly, the actual machine, and then using the handheld device.
It was incredible, especially the hands-on training today. It was great, and also getting to experience it myself. First off on my neck, and literally just the motion and the pain just went away in my neck. Also, I experienced it in my hip, which was great. Got some motion back and decreased the pain in the hip. And I just feel more comfortable about being able to go home and right away as soon as I get my in the mail. I'm going to feel comfortable to get started with. I think in our area, there's nothing like it. I think it will go really well.
The course was comprehensive, thorough, and well put together. I definitely have a lot more confidence today, after the clinical portion, ready to take on and help patients, with their pain relief. Today's boot camp was incredible. Everything clinical. The boot camp overall was awesome. Yesterday was everything business. So just learning, AI tools, different strategies, and different tactics that we can implement right away, I found so useful. Today, being able to go through the didactic work, so learning everything clinical, and then actually getting to practically apply it, I believe was extremely valuable. So excited for Monday to go in and help more patients.
First day we talked business, which was really good. Business and marketing gave me a lot of confidence. Now I can go back home and communicate with patients. Today we did more practical stuff. So my wife, who has 3 years of chronic pain in her ankle that I haven't been able to fix, is down to zero pain today, which is pretty incredible. So it was worth the cost as a flight and a stay just to see that happen. And I can't wait to get home on Monday, start working with patients and start seeing the great results.